Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage permissions in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. Click Settings in the left sidebar and the Settings dialog opens. Click the Permissions tab at the top and your current channel access list loads. Click the Invite button in the top right and the Invite dialog appears. Type the email address of the person you want to invite. For this example I'm using editor.access@mailbox.com. Click the Access dropdown to see the available roles. Select the role you want to assign. For this example, I'm choosing Editor. Click Done to send the invitation. If the person you invited doesn't see the email, ask them to check their spam folder. YouTube invites sometimes land there. You can change someone's role at any time by clicking the dropdown next to their name in the permissions list. To remove someone's access completely, click the three-dot menu next to their name and select Remove. Editor access lets them upload and manage videos, but they can't change channel permissions or delete the channel itself. Only the owner can do that. And that's how to manage permissions in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.